Hey guys, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can send email from your VPS server and get a 10 by 10 score. So what the score means, it basically is the more score you have, the more chance you will have that your email will go to your user's inbox instead of the spam folder. So the better score you have, the more chance of your email is going to the user inbox. So I'm going to show you this. I have sent it to my Gmail ID, a test message, and it went to the inbox, and it also got marked as important by Google. And here I will show you the details. So you can see it has passed all the requirements: SPF, DKIM, DM, ARC. So what if you do not know about this? Basically these records are important, so your email will go to user inbox. Okay, and now I will explain you what steps you have to take to do this. So these are the 10 steps I have listed because I've spent a lot of time to do this. So I have made it step-by-step instructions to make the things easy for you. So first you have to set up SSL, okay? And I have already shown you how to do it in my previous video. So the link will be in the description. Go watch that video and activate SSL. It's really easy. And then you will have to contact the support team to open port 25 for sending emails. So by default, most hosting providers will block port 25 for sending emails. Incoming will be open, but you cannot send emails. It is done to prevent spam. So basically they you will have to contact them and they will open it for you very easily. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. Go to Interserver portal, and here you will see the support option. Just go here and click on create a ticket. Tell them that you want to send emails, so you want them to open the port 25 if it is blocked. Okay, so usually they will reply within 30 minutes to 1 hour, and they will open the port 25. Okay, so that's done, and now let's move to the step 3. So you'll have to change your name servers to your personal name servers. Okay, so that's important because in my first setup video I have shown you to use the Interserver DNS name servers. So the problem with that is I will show you. When we go to the DNS zone settings, all the settings in this DNS zones which are correct are not updated with the inter-server name server DNS records. So which creates us issues, and then you will have to manually copy this and create all these records there, and it is not very convenient and doesn't really make any sense. So it is better to create your personal DNS records name servers like this, and I will show you how to do it. So for example, I'm using this domain bestwpdemo.xyz for this video, and it is registered with Namecheap. So what you have to do is go to Namecheap and then click on manage, select the domain, and from here go to advanced DNS. Okay, and here every domain registrar, GoDaddy, Google Domains allow this option. So you will have to just Google, or if you cannot find how to do it, just post in the comments and I will try to help you. So here you can see the personal DNS server section. Okay, here what you have to do is click on add name server and go to here DNS zone settings, and from here copy this record here. Just don't add the last dot, and then paste it here. Okay, remove the last dot, select it, and then in the IP again from here just copy this IP and paste it here. Okay, so I have already created this record, so I will just press on cancel right now. You have to click on done. So I will show you the search. You can verify that the record you created is working. So sorry, this is the record. Just copy it and search it here. So you will see that after you have created the record successfully, it will point to this IP address. Okay. And similarly, I have created DNS CDNS1 and CDNS2. So I can find both these records here. And if I try to search for CDNS3, it will not show. Okay. So once you create your custom records, go to domain, and from here you will have to update the name servers. So here select custom DNS and paste this to name servers, which are your own domain name servers. Just update them here. then it will take like a few hours to update. So you can just let the update process happen. So after this, let's create some extra records. Okay, step 4. So for this, this is just optional, but it is better to create them. Okay, so you may need them later. So just do it. Go to your Webuzo panel and go to the DNS zone settings. Here you can create your record here. For example, create uh, mail, and then put your IP address here. This is the address. Use the same IP address for all, which is all for all your other records. Then click on add record. Okay, I have already created it. You can see here, this is the mail record. And similarly create IMAP and SMTP record. Okay, so you can use a CNAME type record and point to your mail record, as here I have done. So once this is done, again it is quite simple. So then let's fix the DKIM record. Okay, so if you see here, this is the DKIM record, and DKIM record and SPF record are basically very essential. Without these records, your email is guaranteed to go to the spam folder. Even some email providers will directly reject your email, and your email will will not go to the inbox. So what you have to, so it is really essential. And for this, you will have to go to, you can check your DKIM record, existing record, if it is valid or not, from these two websites. I will put the link in the description. Okay, and as you can see, here you will have to create this default record NX. So let's say I search for this, just search for put X here, and here domain name here, then click on check, and it will show you that this is a valid record. But per my experience, which when I was trying to do it, by default you will get a wrong record because some white spaces are gets added here. Okay, so you will see that it is a plain record, there are no white spaces, so there should no gap. Okay, for this, what you can do is just check if you see a red that there is space between P, and again check it here just to make sure. Sometime this website may not work properly, so after one or two tries you can get some, just to for a second check, check on this website also. Okay, to fix the DKIM record, what you have to do is you can see this is the record, and I have created this extra record. Okay, so default, um, what you have to do is scroll past here, and then click on this pencil icon. Okay, now press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then open a notepad, or you can also use Word or whatever you want to use. Okay, I think using Word is actually much easier. If you have any other notepad editor, that will be better, but right now I don't have, so I will just show you in Word. Okay, so sometime what happens is there will be spaces like this. Okay, extra spaces. So what you have to do is just remove these spaces, and you can see there's still one space left. So even if there's one single space left, this record will not be valid. Okay, so once you remove all spaces, just copy this P part. Okay, there will be DKIM version 1 V1. We do not need all that. At least I have tested and it does not work properly. And then come here again, Control A, Control V. Okay, and then make sure that you have a backup of this. Okay, so just keep like paste create two records. One is will be the original, and one will be the edited one. Then click on the save icon, and this record will be saved. Okay, so right now I'm not going to do it again because I've already fixed my DKIM record. And then again create this default record. I will show you how to do it. Here, go here. Okay, and paste default. So mail here, put default dot underscore domain key. It is very important to put it correctly, and then just keep this time to live same. record type A and record type text. Okay, and in the text here just paste the same thing which we created earlier. Okay, this thing, and you can paste it here and then click on add record. Okay, so then this record will also be added. So after this, just verify that, validate your DKIM, put X here, your domain name here, and then click on check. And for the default record, just put default instead of X, like this, and then click on check. So it will search and show you that if the record is valid or not, if all the spaces have been removed or not. Okay, so again you can verify from the second site if the site is not working properly at that time. So that's once done. Okay, you can see this is actually a better website I prefer because it doesn't have this annoying captcha, and it also show you the correct record, so you can just copy and paste it from here. And once that is done, so let's check what else is left. Create an MX record. For that, you will have to go to your Webuzo server, go to home, and scroll down in the email section. Here you will see this MX entry. Usually by default it is already created, so you do not have to change. Just make sure that this record exists here. Priority should be 0 and your domain name should be here. Okay, if it is not here, then click 0 and then again paste your domain name here and remove the dot, then click on add record. It will automatically add that. Okay, so that's done. And then we will set up email, so that's the most easy thing to do. Click on email account. Okay, and you can see I've created this email. So it's really easy. Just type your name here, name, and your this for example I will create it for support. Okay, and then select your password. You can generate a password from here also. Okay, if you want to see it, this is the password. Save it in your notepad or something. Yeah, I will delete the account later so I can show you the password, no problem. And then click on create account. Okay, so you will get this prompt that this account has been created. So that's easy, but right now we cannot access the email because we do not have any client for reading email, accessing emails. Okay, for this we will have to install Dovecot. So for this, it will automatically, it's really easy. Just click on this option, but I have installed Dovecot, so you will see it will redirect me to the new tab. But if you have not, it will show you prompt that, okay, this utility is not installed, so install it. Or there is an alternate way, here in the search bar, search for Dovecot. Okay, and then click on it, and you can see right now I have this remove option. You will have this install option. Just click on install and it will take few seconds and it will be done. There's nothing nothing extra. Okay, just click on single button. So once that is done, you will be able to access your emails. So I will log into my email account. So enter the email. For example, I created just support, so you have to enter your support. So if I every email, the password will be different. Okay, and so I will just log into my usual admin account and click on remember me, then click on this sign in, and now it will sign in. Then you will be access your webmail from here. Okay, so you can also use the same credentials to use any other applications like Outlook. You can see I'm also using my email with this Outlook. Sorry, Outlook, or it's Mozilla Thunderbird. But you can use the same with Outlook or any other email client to manage emails from your desktop. Okay, so then sending emails is very easy. This new email to subject, that's basically simple. So let's not waste time on this. And from here there are settings. So here you can change some security settings, auto log out accounts, and you can add more accounts here. This is the folder system. You can also change the theme here if you want. Okay, so you can see the theme has been changed. So you can do all the normal email stuff from here. So basically that's really easy. Okay, and now first we'll have to test sending an email. Okay, so for this what you have to do is go to Google and search for mail tester. Okay, and this will be the first result, mailtester.com. Okay, sorry, this is the wrong website. This is the website, okay, with a hyphen. I will also put it in the description. So just copy this email and send an email to it. Click on new message, paste this email, and this is a second test email for tutorial. Then click on send. Okay, so if by this time the customer support has replied to you and they have opened the port 25, only then this will work. If they have not replied to you that they have opened the port, then do not do this step until they reply to you. Okay, else your email will be stuck with the XMQ. So now let's go to this website and then click on then check your score. Okay. So you can see we again got 10 by 10, and you can see we have ticked all the parameters. So our website, our emails is very likely to go to user inbox. Let's see, this is the email we sent and this is the source you can see here. Okay, and it has been tested and this and this and stuff. Okay, so basically we got the 10 by 10 score. So now our email will go to user inbox. And now let's check what's left. And okay, we have set up email, installed Dovecot. Okay, we have to install SpamAssasin. So basically this is to prevent spams. So again, it is simple. Go to your dashboard. From here you will see this option, SpamAssassin, and just click on it and it will show that okay, this utility is not installed. This is how you will see the prompt for Dovecot also. So just click on OK and it will install. Okay, it is showing that okay, XIM is required and stuff. XIM is already available. So then click on install. So again, this will take a few seconds and it will be installed. And yes, there is some error right now. So basically you can try to install it. If it works, then fine, else we are still able to send emails. So that's important. I will check what the error log is later, but it is not essential. Okay. So once that's done, what you can do is also connect it to your Gmail inbox. So you can manage your emails from the Gmail directly. So what you have to do is go to Gmail, go to settings icon, click on this, see all settings, and from here go to accounts and imports, and here in the send email as. Okay, uh, click on this first, add an email account, email address. For example, I will use the support at the rate bestwp dot xyz. Okay, then click on next and pop3 next. Not worry about it, we will delete it later. So this in username put your full email ID, and here in password we just created the password, so this is the password and paste it here. Then okay, just make sure that it is only a domain or whatever your MX record is, which we created in the sixth step. Okay. And port use 143 and then click on add account. Okay, I will just tick this option, leave a copy of retrieved email. So then click on add account. Okay, sometimes it may not work, so change the port to 110 and check. Okay, so it is working on the 110 port. and then yes, take this option and then click on next. Okay, this will be your name, which will be visible when you send any email from this address. So I will create change my name to support team. Best WPW. Okay, you can name put your name here. Then click on keep this option ticked, and then click on next step. Okay, again you will have to put your username, your full email ID, and your password here. And then first let's try with the default connection and account. If it works, then fine, else we will have to change the type. Okay, so it worked, thankfully, and now it will send you a account code. So for this you can either check it from here. I will log out and check, or it will also be sent to your Gmail inbox. I'm just not showing you because I will have to then blur stuff in editing, so I will just show you the code here. Okay, it will also be sent to your Gmail ID. Okay, so you can see here this email has been sent. Open it and it will contain the verification code. Okay, you can just click on this is the code, confirmation code. Copy it and enter it here, then click on verify. Okay, that's done. Now we can send email as support@bestwpdemo from our Gmail inbox. So I will show you. Just click on compose, and here it is support team sorry, this is support team best WP demo. So now we can send to anyone from our Gmail inbox. So I just prefer it, it's just more convenient for me, but this is just my extra tip. Okay, and so I will just close it, and right now what we can do is we'll just close this. Okay, check emails if you want. You can delete this, so else it will automatically fetch all your emails from your inbox. So you can keep this option ticked if you want, or you can also delete it later. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and I hope you guys found this video useful. I know it can be a this video can be a little complicated and overwhelming, but just watch all the parts of video thoroughly. I have tried to make this video as fast as possible, and did all the testing and stuff before making this video. So and created this 10 steps, essential steps, and so I hope this made things really easy for you. And okay, I will also give you a tip to troubleshoot. Okay, so if you are not able to send emails, what you can do is try to go to this email accounts, and from here check this mail queue. Okay, you can see it should be mail queue should be empty. Okay, if you see that there is a pending email here, it means your port 25 is not outgoing is not working, or for some reason the server is not able to send emails and they are stuck in email queue. So it should be empty, and if you see anything else except for this message, it means that your email is not working and you need to contact support team for this. Okay, so that's a very important tip, and that's it guys. So if you get any error or have any questions, do post in the comments and I will try to help you out. Okay, and that's it. I hope you guys found this video useful. Do let me know. I will show this is the XM which we were getting error. So I don't know why I was getting that error, but I will uninstalling SpamAssasin. But I will investigate, and if there's any update, you can check the description. I will update that there, uh, updated there. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.